Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reading. This is going to be for the Valentine's Day. So this is Valentine's Day special and this reading is going to be for the sign of Libra. So let's see what is coming up for you for today. I will be adding one oracle card as well in this reading, but yeah, just the tarot along with that. So yeah, let's see how the Valentine's Day going to be for the sign of Libra. Let's see. While I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see how the Valentine's Day going to be for the sign of Libra. What can you expect coming up for you for today? Let's begin. The Empress, you are feeling like, you are on top of the world. You are going to feel like, there is somebody in your life, whether they message, whether they wish you, whether they express their love for you or they don't, you are ready for them. For some of you, it could be the feeling that you're feeling for your special someone. It doesn't have to be somebody that you already have in your life. It can be just that you are wishing and hoping that one day you will be celebrating this day with the one. It would be different for different people, but I feel like there is specific there is this feeling that you are having right now, which is going to make you feel like if you don't have somebody coming up to you to offer you love today, you would be okay with it as long as it's all you want for yourself for today is to either have the one who deserves you, or you would rather choose to be single, because it's more of that energy where you're feeling very content with whatever that is happening in your love life right now, because you know that at least there is no drama for sure. So you would be feeling either as if you are taken by someone, or you would reserve yourself and your energy for a specific someone, for the special someone today. You are not going to get involved into any drama or any relationship for just to be in a just to be in a relationship for the sake of it, to celebrate a happy Valentine's Day with specific someone. You don't want to get into that drama. You are mature enough, and you don't want shitty behaviors coming from random people. You want us, your special one, to be the Valentine. You don't want anybody in your love life. You want a specific someone who is ready to give you what you want. You want committed relationship. You don't want shitty relationships right now. You are done with that. Your energies are very mature is what I'm picking up towards today for sure. Let's see more cards here. The High Priestess. You are trying to connect yourself to the one that you love, one thing. Or if you don't have anybody in your love life right now, then you are definitely opening your heart to the one that you are destined to be with. You are wishing somebody unknown who you believe would be the love of your life, and you are wishing them and you are letting them know that I am all yours. And that's your energy today. You are not going to be like you know you are not in the dating pool right now is what I'm picking up. Either there is the specific someone that you are choosing to wish happy Valentine's Day today, or if not, then you are sending your love to your special one that God has chosen for you. Let's see more cards here. Three of Swords. For some of you, there is like there is this special someone in your life that you love, but maybe there is lack of communication, no communication, separation, divorce, or something around those lines between the two of you right now. So you might be missing that one person, but you are sending your heart energy to that person. I don't see you messaging them or wishing them happy Valentine's Day, because this is like any other day for you, because you love them so dearly that every day for you is a Valentine's Day. But yes, you are not together right now. There is some sort of separation between the two of you. um Maybe your person has been running away from accepting love, or opening their heart to you or to your love, but you are still theirs. You are telling the universe that I'm still committed to that one person. So it's going to be different. I'm picking up different people's energy here in this reading. But yep, you do have love for a specific someone, and there are group of you who are committed to a specific someone, and then there is a group of you who is single, and they are sending their heart energy to the one that they believe is destined to be with them. And in the deck we do have the Three of Pentacles. For some of you, you would be uh you know um your friends might be telling you today, oh, why don't you date this person, why don't you date this person, and stuff like that. But I feel like, you are not going to go for that, because you are pretty much somebody's, like, you want to reserve yourself and your love and energies for a specific someone. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for today. Let's see what is happening for your love life for today. What is the oracle guidance for your love life for today? Reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. That's exactly what is happening for those of you who are connected to one person. I feel like, you are giving them space, they are giving you space. There is something that needs to be, like, evolved in this connection. And I feel like, you are letting it evolve, because I feel like, you have already evolved in this connection. You are letting your person to evolve around, the situation and connection that you have with a specific someone. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for today. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.